So we're here at the Structural Concepts booth. I'm with Sarah Kurt, the National Sales Manager for Structural. And Sarah, tell me what we're standing in front of here.
So this is our new ARM system. It's an automated retail merchandiser. It's not the vending equipment of the future, it's the vending equipment of today. So this is utilizing the Structural Concepts merchandisers, but we've added a door to it for security, and there's an e-box, an e-reader on the side. And this is designed for customers that are actually looking for an alternative to having employees in place all the time serving fresh food. So it could be in an airport. People are in airports sometimes 24 hours a day. A hospital, employees and patients, cafeterias aren't open all day long. So this is an alternative to that. Schools, colleges and universities, students in a union, a student union, or in a athletic facility or something like that. So the way it works is the customer can use any type of financial backing that they're currently using. Let's say it's Citibank is their choice, and you can utilize many different forms of payment. If you're in a college setting, the kids can use their meal plan. If you're in a hotel, how awesome would it be to check into a hotel in the middle of the night and get some fresh food? They can use their room key. Employees can use their employee card. So we're going to demonstrate it today with the app. By scanning it, it's going to release the lock on the door. I don't know if you heard that. And Joe, what I'd like you to do is grab a couple items, and as Joe takes items off the shelves are actually weighted. It'll show up on the screen and tell you what Joe's purchasing.
Ooh,
everything is weighted,
big
and
fan
it's
of
following a planogram. But Joe decides he doesn't actually want the Sprite, so he's going to put the Sprite back.
No, I want the Sprite. I shouldn't have the Nutella. I don't know what I was thinking.
But what I want you to do is put it back in the wrong spot.
Oh, well, let me do that then. So here.
Look what happens when he puts it in the wrong spot. You get an error message, and if you look at the actual merchandiser, you're going to see that it's a red underneath the screen. And it alerts you to move it to the correct spot. Now it's very easy to monitor this from a distance. If you're in a college setting and you have 15 of these around campus, the food service director can actually monitor this from their office. And why don't you go ahead and put those in, because otherwise we have to restock it. So the food service director can monitor this from their office, and you have to, because we're on carpeting, it has to be pushed a little bit harder than if it was on the regular floor. But they can monitor it from their office. They can see what the inventory is. They can tell if you're putting fresh salads and sandwiches. It doesn't have to be automatically, pre-packaged foods. And you can tell what type of movement you're actually having on the product that's in the different planogram. It'll tell you if the Caesar salad's not selling as well as the garden salad. We're going to offer a promotion, and they can, from their office or from the screen, actually offer a special discount for, to move that product out before the shelf life is shortened. They can also use it to determine what's selling fastest, and they maybe want to add additional facings on the product. But all of it can be monitored from a distance. It doesn't have to be right there at the equipment.